Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending Tether, USDT, from Crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, it's important to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this yourself in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Crypto.com account and a Coinbase wallet set up. You'll need some USDT in your Crypto.com wallet to transfer. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your Tether balance. This is usually under the Assets or Wallets tab. Next, select Tether from your list of assets. Look for an option that says Withdraw, Send, or Transfer. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase wallet app or website. Go to your wallet settings, find your USDT address, and copy it carefully. Crypto addresses are long and case sensitive, so no typos allowed. Back on Crypto.com, paste that address into the recipient field. You'll also need to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's on the same blockchain, like Tron or Ethereum, that both platforms support for USDT. Crypto.com will show you any fees involved, so review those before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Send. You'll get a confirmation screen. Double-check the details one last time. After you approve, the transaction will be processed. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see if the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your Tether is now in your Coinbase wallet. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.